Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Tech Tuesday. This week, we'll be speaking with Daniel Barousse, the CEO and co-founder of Slice Engineering, a local Gainesville tech company that has been making huge strides in the 3D printing and additive manufacturing industries. So Daniel, tell us, what is additive manufacturing?
Absolutely. So additive manufacturing, also known as 3D printing, is a process where parts are made through an additive process. You're adding material to something to create it, as opposed to a subtractive process where you start with a block of material and you take stuff away to create what you're trying to create. So it's a unique way to make parts.
So it's really applicable to a lot of different kinds of fields.
Yeah, absolutely. So we work in basically every industry. Specifically, we make the print heads that go onto the 3D printers. We're a part supplier or a component supplier, but we supply our components to just about every industry you can think of. We work with Oak Ridge National Lab, we work with NASA, we work with SpaceX and Tesla. Ford is a customer of ours. So any sort of household name that you would think of on the kind of the Fortune 500 list that's doing technology development, they buy stuff from us.
Can I ask, what parts do you supply to NASA?
So NASA actually is mostly buying some of our chemical products. They use them for enhancing thermal conductivity between two metallic components.
So what is new with Slice Engineering this year?
Well, we just won the 2023 Tech Company of the Year for the local area for the Gainesville Chamber of Commerce. We're, of course, very excited to win that award. So it's great to feel that support from the local community, the business community, and looking forward for the rest of 24. And we're really trying to expand into some new market segments and get some of our products that are currently in sort of a more niche space and get it out to a broader audience. So very excited about what this year has ahead of us.
Absolutely, and congratulations. And we're excited to see you keep up the great work and see what the year has in store for Slice. Be sure to come back next week to see which innovations we'll be discussing on the next Tech Tuesday.